Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have not been uploading, as you could see, but I'm back and I have an exciting video that I have been waiting for so long to film. I mean, probably a few years, because I've just kept on forgetting. It's got to do with Christmas, because I'm so excited for Christmas this year. There's just going to be so much happening in our house and I'm so excited. So why not get the festive spirit started right now in November. It's about mid-November, so I can't wait to, I'm so excited for Christmas. I might even do a vlogmas, but I might do it week by week, not daily, because there's not much going on. But I do have 2 weeks off in December, so I cannot wait for that, because I have not had any Christmas holidays like ever, so I can't wait. So by the title of this video, you are trying to put tinsel in your hair. So I have some in my hair currently. I have been wanting to put hair tinsel in for the past like maybe 3 Christmases, but I've just always forgotten to buy it, and then it's always too late. So I decided I would buy some straight away and put some in as soon as I got it. And honestly, it's on both sides. I love it so much. I washed my hair last night and I straightened it this morning because my hair is super ringlety and curly, so it's just so much easier to put it in when it's straight and then style it afterwards. But oh, I'm honestly so happy with it. It's just amazing. So I thought I would start this video off by saying I've had a few trial and errors with putting it in my hair, because I get frustrated so easily. So this was honestly a frustrating, painstaking process, but in the end it looks amazing. At first, there is one way that you usually put it in, and that's you tie it in a knot on your hair. But I did that the first time, and honestly it took me about an hour just to do like one side, because it was just so frustrating, because it kept on like sliding down when I was trying to like tie it, and then it just tied wrong, and then it snapped, and then it would fall out, and so that would make me really frustrated. So this time around I did tie a few in, but they didn't last long because I just got really frustrated and pulled them out. So I figured out a way to do it that I can do big chunks and make it look like I've got more than normal in my hair, instead of just the one strand at a time. So that's what I'm going to be taking you through today, and because I've got some in it, I'm going to put more in, because why not? So let's start with what you'll need. So you will need a few claw clips. So I use a big one and then a little one if I need to like section off the hair properly, or like lay it a bit more flat on my head. You need a hair parting tool. Now this is just I'm not even sure what you would call it, but it's a thing that you tie your hair up with, and you just like flick it around and then like boop, and it's tied up. It's like one of those things, but I use it to part hair because I don't have a comb that does it. So that's that. You'll need pliers. This is just like one of those foldy uppy ones that you could take camping or whatever. My dad got me these a long time ago. So you'll need the pliers. You will need a hair threader. Now I had one because I used to have feathers in my hair, so I used to love putting stuff in my hair, so it's just who I am. But I really can't find it, so I found this kind of massive sewing needle that can fit a little chunk of hair in if I need to, and then it's just like kind of flat, so I can thread a bead on, and that brings me to the beads. So as I said, I used to put feathers in my hair, and that's how you would do it with the beads. So that's how we're going to be doing these, because it's just so much easier and I can get more in. So it's just, you can get like, I'm not going to focus it, but you can get like different colors. You can get like blonde, black, brown, light brown, and they've got like kind of a grippy, like, would you call it silicone in the middle? So when you clamp it, it properly like grips onto your hair, so it's like non-slip. And then last but not least, you will need tinsel. So I lost the packet for the silver, but I've got the green and red in their packets still. So that's what they look like. They are quite long, so I do need to trim them for my hair, but I do that at the very end because it's like I said, it's a process. But I'm gonna take you through what I do and let's put some in. Okay, where do I start? So I'm not sure how well you're gonna see them, but let's just find one. So right here is a bead. Oh god, this is so difficult. Yeah, right there's a bead, and then I've got the, I'm just gonna call them extensions in there. So I'm gonna put a few on like the underneath bit. Oh, last thing you'll need is actually a mirror, so that's where that is. I might have to change locations because this is complicated. So what I usually do is just part the hair where I want the beads. So because it's not on the top, I don't really have to worry about putting a layer over the top to hide the beads because my whole head of hair will be hiding them. So I'm just gonna split my hair like that. So now we have a little bit to work with down here. I'm probably only gonna do maybe 2 on each side. So what I do in preparation to make it so much easier for me, just open the packets and just pull them out a little bit so I can access, because they're only tied on with like a zip tie, like really loosely, so you can just pull it through. So I will grab one strand. Look how thin that is, like that's ridiculous. I'll grab one strand of silver, one of green, and then one of red. See, like you can hardly see them. That's why it's so frustrating to put in your hair. So, and then I bunch them up and fold it in half. So this is what you would usually do, and then you would like make a loop and tie that bit onto your hair. But because it's so frustrating, I don't want to do that. I want this to be quick and easy, and I want them to come out when I want them to come out, not when they want to fall out. So I crease the top just to make them a little bit more together, and then I tie them in a knot to make kind of like a knot, to make like an anchor point almost. So I'll just tie them in a knot, just a normal knot, like nothing, like, and they're just gonna, it's just gonna be like that. So, scissors, they would help. So I like to cut as close, maybe leaving like a millimeter away from the knot, just so I have like a little anchor point that I push past the bead. So there's one ready to get put into my hair. So I'm gonna make 4 of these in total, and I'll be right back. I am back with all 4 of my little strands. They are still so thin, so there's 2 in each hand. So I'm just gonna be putting, for the sake of the video, just 2 on each side. How am I gonna do this? Oh, I forgot to mention that the extensions that I have, and hopefully that anyone has, are actually all heat proof, and so I can straighten them, curl them. I just washed my hair last night with them in, so they can withstand anything, so that's great. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me try and figure out a way, because I don't have a stand for this mirror, so oh, the stress. How do I do it? I don't know. Do I have a stand? I'll be back. Hi, we're back again. I've brought reinforcements. Hello. So I've got my two cushions from my couch. So I've got everything I need. I've got my strands, I've got my 4 beads, I've got my pliers, and I've got my, ooh, where is it? There we go, with my threading tool. So let's just see how close you need to be for this. So I might have to like zoom you in. Hey. And crank you up. Ugh. My little windy thing doesn't work anymore. Okay, I can kind of see in the mirror what it looks like, so hi. So, if you can't see the tinsel already up there, like look how fun that looks. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it kind of back here. I'm so sorry if this goes out of focus, by the way, because I'm looking over here and you're just, I can see you just in the mirror. So I'm just gonna grab like a tiny little strand like that, not too thick. For my threading tool, I kind of have to wind it like tight, like that. Not sure if you can see that. And then kind of make a loop just so it's small enough to fit through the, I'm so sorry, I feel so bad. So I need to lean forward to get it through. So I just, dropped it. Oh my gosh, I forgot how annoying this was. So just like you're sewing, you kind of just have to, I'm gonna swap hands. You kind of just have to find where you're gonna thread your hair through. So there we go, that's probably a bit better if you can see that little loop. Okay, so I've gotten that through. So I just need to pinch the top and pull. Okay. Oh, that's the hardest bit. So this does ache your arms. So I've gotten my little thread on there. Now all I need to do is place a bead on the end and then pull it through. And then that's the bead on the hair like that. Hi, can you see? I'm not sure. Okay. So now once again I have to lean forward and get a strand. Now I like to go past the knot so it's literally stuck there. It has nowhere to go, but it will get stuck on there anyway. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm not sure how much you can see legit. Oh, I just pulled it out. Oh my god. Okay, let's try again. All right. I've gotten that through again. Oh, no, don't you dare. So I just like to pull it so the knot kind of almost touches the root of my hair. But if I can get close to it, I'm happy. So then you just grab your pliers and you just crimp it in. I like to give it a couple of crimps just so I know that the whole thing's flat, because sometimes I miss and then half the thing gets squashed and the other doesn't. Okay, so clamp. Oh, and then you can breathe a sigh of relief because it's in and it's over. So that's it there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that to me is the easiest way to get it in, and it's not going anywhere. Like, that's in there good. And then we have some extensions. So I'm gonna quickly, let's zoom you out. Whoa, wrong way, hello. Okay, so let's hope you saw all that. Come down. My little windy thing doesn't work, so I've got to pull it down and probably break it. So let's put you back out there. So now, because that one's in, I'm gonna speed this up, and hopefully that was enough instruction. I'm gonna quickly buzz and do the last three. Because it's further back, it's gonna be harder for me to see you guys. So that one was kind of the easiest way to do it. So I will quickly pop them in and then come back. That is done. Okay, so I've got all four in, and now they require a bit of trimming. So let me get up. So they are just a smidgen longer, so I honestly just let it fly naturally, and then I just grab the ends and then look down, and then I kind of cut on an angle. I don't really care if I get my own hair, because, you know, who's gonna miss those tiny little ends? Okay. So that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Yeah, it's doable. All right, let's do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just cut it up. And don't forget to like grab those ends because you'll get tinsel all over the house. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, if only I had the patience to do more. I don't, but so let's just whip it out. So you obviously won't be able to. Oh yeah, you can. Oh goodness. Oh baby, yes. Okay, I'm obsessed. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, I didn't realize it looked so cool. I thought you wouldn't be able to see it, but now I'm so excited that you can. Okay, just like, it'll look so good in a ponytail. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video because now I'm so excited because it looks so cool. And then when I do like a half do, you'll be able to see them. Oh my god. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful because this is honestly the easiest way that I could do it by myself without losing my patience with it, because it honestly, it looks amazing and I'm so excited for Christmas. And yeah, if you need me to go through anything else, just let me know in the comments below. And God, I hope I helped because honestly this is the easiest way. But definitely get yourself a threader tool because they have like a little latch that it's like a hook and you literally just hook it onto your hair, close the latch and it's through, because this is a pain in the ass. So invest in a tool because they're only a couple of bucks. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if that's helped you, and don't forget to subscribe because I will be uploading a lot more because I have so many ideas going around in my head and I'm so excited. So thank you for watching. Bye.